Yes, Brooke does know what it is. Mom!
Oh my God!
Now look where they're at. Look where they're at.
Where are we sitting? On the floor?
You're sitting on the field, next by the stage, on the aisle. With seats 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Oh my God! I'm so love you. Bring it.
But the cap's like, yep, that's my mom.
Are you gonna cry? Yes, I love my reflection.
Oh, hell.
Oh,
Last night he came to my room.
Did you cry too?
Yeah.
Yeah, because Brooke, you get to go with me.
Yeah. That's why I said I couldn't sleep last
Your
night.
tickets there. Oh my God.
And what direction I get to go see him?
You want to go see Harry with me?
No, it's my ticket.
Nah.
I didn't think so.
That's
What,
why-
Dad?
That's why Dad came into my room last night and I couldn't sleep.
Oh my God.
John Bartlett.
Come on.
I'm wearing you tonight, buddy.